Boeing 7001 uniform, paying ground. We'll be ready for intercept. Boeing 01 uniform, roger, advise when ready to taxi. Information hotel.
Ground from Boeing November 3, attention 7001 uniform, ready to check in this area.
Boeing 7001 uniform, paying ground, loud and clear.
Thank you. Boeing November 7001 uniform, for the last time, we'd like to taxi to runway 16 right, and we have a special flight permit, and there's going to be a flight of 2.
Boeing 7001 uniform, flight, paying ground, runway 16 right, taxi to at Kilo 1.
Kilo 1, and do you have a squawk for us?
Boeing 01 uniform, affirmative squawk 4706.
4706,
Boeing 01 uniform. Information hotel is current wind 15017, depth 23, altimeter 29er, and departure frequency will be 128.5.
28.5, and we have hotel uniform, picture of uniform. November 7001 uniform for the last time requesting takeoff on 6 right.
Boeing 7001 uniform, Tina Tower, roger, traffic will be landing. Boeing 7001 uniform, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, wind 15013, gust 23, altimeter 29er.
2999 in November, Boeing 7001 uniform, clear to takeoff 16 right for the last time.
101 uniform, no problem, departure, your discretion.
Seattle departure, Boeing November 7001 uniform, is with you out of 2,000 for 2,500.
7001 uniform, Seattle departure, radar contact. Hey, Boeing field data, Quebec is current, Boeing altimeter is 3000.
3000, roger.
Boeing 01 uniform, verify your squawking 4706.
4706, squawking, roger. And approach, November 7001 uniform, would be sending to out of 2,500 for 1,500.
Good one, sir. Boeing 7001 uniform, tail approach, VFR altitude is your discretion. Boeing 7001 uniform, the 727 has always been one of my favorites. It's been a privilege to be a part of your last flight today. Contact Boeing Tower 120.6. Good day.
And Boeing Tower, November 7001 uniform with you for runway 13 right for the last time.
Boeing 7001 uniform, Boeing Tower, runway 13 right, cleared to land, wind 13010. The 6 ship up and Alpha 4, Boeing ground 6, runway 13 left the Alpha.
001 uniform, E1, ex-United Airlines.